How to fix Google Safe Search will not turn off. So first you'll need to open up your browser and then click on your profile logo. Make sure you're signed into your Google account first. Click on your profile logo and then click on manage your Google account. Sometimes you might find Safe Search under this section right here. But in this case, we want to click on manage your Google account. And then in the search bar, you want to search for Safe Search. And then press enter. Now you will need to click on search settings, which is right here, and it should open up this page, which is google.com/preferences. Now you want to scroll down and click on safe search, and from here you can basically switch it from filter or blur to off to turn it off completely. And if for some reason you can't change this and you see a lock icon on the top right, which means that your account is being managed by somebody else, probably your parents if you're under 18. And in that case, you will need to go to familylink.google.com and basically make sure to turn it off from here. And by disabling the safe search from family link, or the account that manages your account basically, then you will be able to remove this lock and be able to basically turn on or off safe search however you like. And if that still does not work for you for some reason, here's what you can do. You can click on your profile logo and sign out of this current account, and then basically sign in again with a different account and try to disable safe search from here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.